Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Tapo Pan Tilt Home Security Wi-Fi camera. Let's take a look at the box. We've got motion detection and notifications, we've got night vision up to 30 feet, we've got 1080p high definition video, and we've got a micro SD card slot which supports up to 128 GB. So as you can see over here, it also works with Google Assistant and Alexa. Let's see if we can find any more features on the box. We've got 360 degrees of horizontal view, 114 degrees vertical, two-way built-in microphone and speaker for audio, wireless protocols. It's got Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, and we've got inside the box we've got the camera itself, mounting screws, DC power adapter, mounting template, the quick start guide, and the camera base. There is no micro SD card included in the box. So as we can see, there are a few more features here, such as live view thanks to the app. We've got a privacy mode, and we can also there's also easy setup and more. So let's take a look inside the box. Okay, so we've got a mounting sticker here, basically for drilling holes to mount the camera onto your wall. We've also got a little document here with mounting instructions. Let's keep that to the side. That's the quick start guide. We've got the power pin here with the adapter. Keep that aside. We've got the mounting base. We've got the pins, and we've got the camera itself. Okay. So here's the Tapo smart home camera. As you can see, it's got 360 degrees of horizontal spin. You've got the power port over here, which is where you put in the pin, and at the bottom you've got this is where you would insert the base, which is how you would mount it onto your wall or wherever you want to keep your smart home camera. As you can see, the mounting mechanism is fairly easy to install. That's all it takes, and it should be secure. Yeah, that's it, and it is securely in. As you can see, you've got the 2 points for where you would put the screws in, and on the front here you've got the micro SD card slot for local storage, plus you've also got a reset button over here, and of course you've got 114 degrees of vertical tilt, and there you have it. That was our unboxing of the Tapo Pan Tilt Home Security Wi-Fi camera. Thanks for watching.